Welcome back everyone. So today in this video, I will be explaining that how to fix performance issues after upgrading to Windows 11 2.3 H2. Now on Windows 11 2.3 H2, you may need to reset the Windows Security app to resolve the performance issues. Now if you notice a degradation in CPU performance or GPU problem like sudden stutter and drastic FPS drop after upgrading to version 2.3 H2, then you are not the only one. As it turns out, a few users have reported a significant reduction in processor and the graphic performance after updating to Windows 11 2.3 H2, either using the clean installation or in place upgrade through Windows Update. So without any delay, let's see that how you can get rid of this problem. The first, what you have to do, you need to click on your Windows search, type PowerShell. In this suggestion, you will be getting Windows PowerShell. Right click on it and choose Run as Admin. Click on Yes. The black or the blue window of PowerShell will be up. Now here you have to run two different commands, and all these commands you will be getting in the description, so you can copy and paste. So copy the first command. Make a right click on the PowerShell. It will be automatically pasted. Then you have to hit the enter key. Then you have to press the A key from your keyboard and hit the enter key again. Next you have to copy the another command. Again make a right click and paste it. Hit the enter key. Now once all these commands are completed, you have to close it. And now next you have to restart the computer in the BIOS mode and enable the virtualization. So what you have to do, right click on the Windows icon, click on Settings, click on System, then scroll down and you will find the recovery option. Click on it. Now here in the recovery option, you will be getting advanced startup option. Click on Restart Now. Again click Restart Now, and the computer will now be coming up with the Windows Advanced option. And once you see this kind of a screen, you have to click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced option, and here you will find the UEFI firmware setting. Click on it and then click on Restart. So now the computer will be coming up in the BIOS mode. Now depending that which motherboard you are using, it can be a different kind of interface and the look and feel. Now I'm using the ASUS motherboard, so on my end, what you have to do, if you are also using the ASUS, then on the right hand corner you will find the Advanced option. You will have to click on it. Now once you click on it, from the top end menu option, you will have to come to the Advanced tab. Click on Advanced, and now here at the bottom you will find the SVM mode. So that basically is for the virtualization. If you get the SVM mode, then you will have to go ahead and click on the drop down and make sure that it's been enabled. Now as I said, depending on different motherboard, if you are using the Intel, then there should be an option of virtualization. So anyhow, you have to look for the virtualization and enable it. So once you have enabled, you have to tap on the F10 key, save the changes, and then exit out from the BIOS. Again, log in back to your computer. Now make a right click on the Windows icon, click on Settings. From the left hand menu option, click on Privacy and Security. Click on Windows Security. Then click on Device Security, and here you will find the Core Isolation option. Click on Core Isolation Details, and here you have to make sure the Memory Integrity option has been enabled. So click on Enable, click on Yes. Now once it's been done, again go ahead and restart your computer, and I'm very sure that this time you will not be having any kind of problem. That's all guys for today. Hopefully this solution will work for you, because these solutions are recommended by the expert. That's what I'm sharing with you. And in case if you have the issues, let us know in the comment section, and we will try to upgrade and bring up another video for you. And do not forget to hit the like and subscribe so that you can stay connected with us, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.